Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we'll talk about $10 investments everyone can afford. Are you searching for investment that won't break the bank but can still turn a profit? Wondering if there's something out there that could transform your spare change into a financial win? Well, hold on tight, because we're about to embark on a money-making journey together. Today, I've got a question for you. Can a simple $10 investment actually make you money? Well, prepare to be amazed as we explore 5 incredible opportunities that anyone can seize to not only recoup their investment but potentially turn it into something much more. Dreams meet reality. It's time to uncover the secrets of affordable investments that can make a big impact. Get ready to dive in and discover how a mere $10 could be your ticket to financial success. Buckle up because we're about to make those dreams a reality. Investing is the key to unlocking financial success. Let's start with number 1. Your path to financial success: the power of small investments. Discover the hidden potential of a humble $10 bill and embark on a journey to prosperity. Don't underestimate the impact of small investments. They hold the key to something extraordinary. Break free from the cycle of working for money and experience the true power of making your money work for you. Say goodbye to temporary pleasures and embrace a future of lasting financial freedom. It's time to unleash the power of small investments and pave your way to success. Number 2. Unleash the magic of asset investing. Unlock your wealth with $10. Assets are like magical money machines. They keep generating income long after the initial purchase. It's life-changing. Investing in assets means creating a passive income stream that works for you day and night. And the best part? Anyone can start with as little as $10. Imagine the possibilities. Investing in this vending machine has been a game changer for me. With just $10, I've created a reliable source of income that continues to grow. It's like having a money-making machine that works for me, even when I'm not there. That's the impact of asset investing. It's not about the initial amount, but the power of your investment to generate continuous wealth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your financial future. Begin your journey to success with small investments in assets. Bid farewell to financial worries and open the door to a world of abundance. Start now and unlock the magic of assets, the key to your wealth. Number 3. Empower yourself with cryptocurrency, a path to financial opportunity for everyone. Ready to dream big on a tight budget? Explore cryptocurrency with just $10. Join the revolution and diversify your investments. Don't miss out on affordable stocks like SiriusXM or Nokia, which offer significant gains under $10. But wait, there's more. Secure a domain for $10, watch its value grow, and strike gold when someone seeks that valuable web address. Shape your financial future with affordable investments in cryptocurrency. With $10, unlock limitless possibilities in digital currencies. Take charge of your wealth creation and embrace the journey. Remember, a $10 bill holds immense power. Start small, dream big, and let investments speak for themselves. Even the tiniest seed can grow into a money tree. Happy investing! And speaking of clever investments, don't forget .net or .usa domains. Spend $10, grab a website, and seize opportunities when offers come knocking. Dream big, invest smart, and watch your wealth flourish. It all starts with a humble $10 bill. Number 4. Shifting your mindset. If you're still here, it means you're ready to shift your mindset. It's time to stop solely paying bills and start making your money work for you. Trust me, I retired at 26 by doing just that. Forget about real estate for a moment and consider the broader realms of investments. I personally focus on buying and selling businesses, real estate, and anything that brings me a solid return. Number 5. Worthy bonds. Let's talk about worthy bonds. With just $10, you can enter the world of peer-to-peer investing and earning a reliable 5% return. It's a win-win for small businesses and your wallet. But hold on tight, because here's a bonus for you. I'm about to reveal one of my favorite money-making investments. While it requires more than a Hamilton, the returns are astounding. Stay tuned for that. Number 6. The power of education. Don't underestimate the power of education. It's a worthy investment. Spend that $10 on a book and gain a lifetime of knowledge. Books like Think and Grow Rich and Rich Dad Poor Dad have contributed to my success. Read 1 or 2 books every month and unlock million-dollar ideas. Start small, turn $10 into a fortune and keep pushing forward. Just look at Bill Gates, who started small and became incredibly wealthy. I've discovered 50 business ideas that require less than $1,000 and can generate $1,000 every week. Shift from being a consumer to an investor. Be strategic, diversify your investments, and seek high potential. Your financial future is in your hands. Take that $10 bill and set it on the path to prosperity. Start small, dream big, and let your investments work for you. Goodbye financial limitations, hello endless possibilities. Number 7. The hidden gems. First, the bargain bin bonanza. Who says you can find hidden gems in the bargain bin? Grab your magnifying glass and dig deep for underpriced treasures waiting to be discovered. Whether it's a vintage vinyl record or a quirky collectible, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Remember, one person's trash is another person's cash. Second, the foodie fortune. Food has always been a delicious way to invest, but we're not talking about devouring it all. Though that's tempting too. How about exploring the world of food trends? Find that mouth-watering culinary craze, be it gourmet popcorn or crafty condiments, and ride a wave of taste bud delights. Let your appetite lead you to tasty profits. Third, the virtual victory. Ever dreamt of conquering the virtual world and turning your gaming skills into cold hard cash? Well, dust off your gaming controller because the time has come to level up. From trading virtual goods to esports betting, there's a whole realm of opportunities waiting for you. Who said playing video games couldn't be a profitable adventure? Fourth, the handmade hero. Are you a crafty individual with a knack for creativity? Channel your inner artist and transform your talents into a thriving business. Whether it's handmade jewelry, personalized crafts, or unique artwork, your creations can be the talk of the town and fill your pockets with some well-deserved dough. Embrace your inner Picasso and let your creations speak for themselves. Fifth, the tech trailblazer. We lived in a digital age, my friend, and technology is the name of the game. Keep your eyes peeled for those cutting-edge tech gadgets that are making waves in the market. From smartphone accessories to nifty gadgets, a small investment can lead to big returns. Get in on the tech revolution and watch your investment soar. So whether you're exploring the world of cryptocurrency, investing in worthy bonds, expanding your knowledge through books, or discovering hidden gems in various industries, remember that it all starts with a $10 investment. By shifting your mindset and taking calculated risks, you can pave the way to financial opportunities that were once out of reach. Don't let financial limitations hold you back. Empower yourself with affordable investments and unlock the door to a brighter financial future. The possibilities are endless, and it all begins with the humble $10 bill. Take the leap, dream big, and seize the opportunities that await you. Start small, but think big. Your journey to financial success starts now. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.